Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials: power and proximity. Plug the included cable into the SoundLink Max and a live outlet, then press the power button until the LED lights. Make sure your device's Bluetooth is enabled. You'll need it to pair. Once powered, check battery level by pressing the battery button. This prevents interruptions. If you use an aux cable, have it ready. Otherwise, keep your device within 3 meters for a stable wireless connection. Now you pair. Press and hold the Bluetooth button on the speaker until the LED blinks blue, which signals pairing mode. On your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth settings and choose Bose SoundLink Max. Once selected, you may hear a tone and see Connected that confirms a link. If a PIN is requested, enter 0000 or accept the prompt. It depends on your device. Make sure to allow media and call audio so music. Complete setup by playing a variety of tracks to test volume range and clarity. You should hear crisp mids and defined bass. If it sounds off, adjust the equalizer in your music app or the Bose app for tonal balance. To ensure best performance, check for firmware updates in the Bose Connect app and install them. If pairing fails, reset the speaker by holding power and Bluetooth buttons together for about 10 seconds. This clears connections and often resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.